My friends, by a show of hands, who's excited about this video? The plunger is the world's greatest invention. Next to toilet paper, of course. Everyone from the prideful prince to the pessimistic peasant needs to unclog a toilet from time to time. But let's face it, a poopified plunger isn't going to make you very popular around the house. Or the castle, for that matter. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to clean your trusty toilet axe with confidence. So when we talk about cleaning a plunger, there's really not a lot to it. Basically, the only thing we really want to be concerned about is making sure we kill all the germs and bacteria and make sure it's rinsed off. To clean the plunger, simply grab you some bleach. Nothing kills germs and bacteria better than the bleach. Spray it liberally, really well with your bleach. Make sure that you spray inside this part as well. So spray it really well. And then what we're going to do is we're going to put the toilet seat down and let it sit here and dwell for 10 minutes. We don't want to rinse it off right now because we want to give the bleach time to kill the germs and bacteria for us. So just let it sit here for 10 minutes and then we'll move on to the next part. 10 minutes is up now, we just need to rinse it. So put your lid up and then you're going to use the water inside the toilet bowl to rinse it off. Now if you don't have enough water in the toilet bowl, just flush the toilet. And kind of rinse it like that. And that is how to clean your plunger. One thing that I want to add is that if bleach is not your thing, say you just can't stand the smell of it or it just messes up your allergies or whatever, just use the disinfectant of your choice. You can use rubbing alcohol, you can use vinegar, whichever you prefer. Just make sure that you disinfect your plunger and rinse it off every time you have to pull it out to use it. You don't want to just put it next to the toilet and then it's just going to sit there and be all crusty and nasty and harbor all kinds of germs and bacteria. So do this process every time you pull it out to use it and you should be good to go. Well, that's it. Now you know how to clean your plunger. If you like this video, give it a big thumbs up, subscribe to the channel for more great content, and click the little bell notification right next to the subscribe button to make sure that you're notified every time I upload a new video. Whether you suffer from insomnia or you've been up all night doing battle in the bathroom, implement the steps that I've outlined in this video to ensure that your plunger is always clean, fresh, and ready to perform.